Hello and welcome to a demonstration of MediaPulse. In the next few minutes, we will go over how to create event triggers in your MediaPulse. Event triggers allow you to establish sets of conditions that, when met, can prompt the system to automatically inform people via email and/or MediaPulse alerts that an event has occurred. Such events can occur anytime that a specific type of record is created, changed, or deleted. Events can then be further defined based on whether particular fields on those records have been populated or changed as controlled by a variety of operators and conditions. Please note, the standard email notification functionality will only be available if the MediaPulse application server has been configured to send email appropriately. In this example, we will create an event trigger that will send an email alerting you that a PO has been closed, including a PDF attachment of the PO form. First, navigate to the System, Setup, Event Triggers. Add a new row to create a new event trigger. Select Notify from the Event Code dropdown. Let's enter a description. Let's place the event type as Update. The document will be Purchase Order. The document table name will be Purchase Order. Go to the Conditions tab and add a new row. The table name will be Purchase Order. Column name will be PO Status. Column source will be modified. Let's set the operator to $. The compared value will be closed. Now let's go to the Actions, Attachment, and add a report. Enter Purchase Order Form in the Layout Description field and search. Apply and close the standard layout. In the resulting Event Trigger Email Attachments field, let's make the attachment type PDF. The layout ID will be Purchase Order Form. Now add an Email Parameters row. Let's select PO number for the report criteria. The Trigger Rule field will be PO number. Save and close Event Trigger Email Attachments. Save the event triggers. Go to the Notification Template tab. Enter a From email address. Now enter your email address in the Email To. In the Template Fields box, look under the Purchase Order section and drag PO Description into the Email Subject field. Type a message in the Email Body field. Save the Event Triggers document. Now let's search for an open purchase order we can close to test our event triggers. Open a purchase order. Let's update the PO status field to Closed. Before saving, go to the Actions, Document, Event Trigger Report. Look for your event trigger ID in the report. If it is marked as true, then your event trigger has been set up correctly. And upon saving your purchase order change, you will receive an email. Save and close the purchase order. Now go check your email. As you can see, I have just received an email regarding the purchase order change. For more tips and tricks on MediaPulse, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@xytechsystems.com.